In this video, I want to help you troubleshoot the image animation feature that was added in version 1.09 of Kinetic Text Animator. We are in version 1.1.0 as of this recording. I'll probably just go ahead and remove this video once we fix this, but this is a small bug that we've got. And what I've done here is I've added this image, and you can see that it should be automatically creating an animation, but it didn't. Now, so I've got nothing going on. I can't click on it or anything like that. Now, if I change the stage size to something like 80%, and then I go ahead and apply that again, I am going to get the image on there, and I might even be able to get it to animate where I do something like, let's do from the left and exit from the left. So I get an animation, but I can't size or move it. And in this particular case, I very much want to, because I want that hand to appear like it's, you know, from off stage and gonna catch something. So that's not going to work. So what I need to do here, just to fix this until we actually fix it in the next update, I'm going to go ahead and do a restart here. And that's Command or Control R. I can also do New, but I'm going to go ahead and just refresh from the beginning. And I'll just, while I'm doing that, I'll just basically tell you that what's going on there is that the code isn't kicking in. All we need to do is change the stage size to something like 90 or 60%. I automatically, since this kind of overlaps in I'm on a Mac laptop, I have limited space on my screen, so I'm going to go ahead and I always go to 60%, and that's really all you need to do. You don't have to go to 60%. You can go to any other stage size, and then once you do that, you can apply the animation. So I'm going to go ahead and find this. These images, by the way, are in a Video Like a Pro, the Video Elements Kit, I think is what I'll be calling this, and so it's not released yet. I'm working on it. And now I've got this, got the hand in there, and I'm going to go ahead and size that up and kind of position it right there, because what I want to do is have it come from the left and exit from the left, and I'll have it stay a little bit longer than that, maybe 5 seconds, and then I get this kind of going on. So let's go ahead and rewind that, and there we go. So now I can add other animations if I want to. Let's go ahead and add another block here, and I'll browse for an image, and let's have him get some money. How about that? Or him or her? Yeah, it's him, hairy hand. So that what I want to do is I want that to come about, let's make it come in at the same time, but we're going to come from the top. We'll exit from the top also, or let's actually fade out, and we'll come from the top. So we'll be doing something like this, and now I want to position it so it looks a little bit better, and I'll animate that again, and then I get something like that. So that's the sort of thing, and you can see that once I have changed the stage size, I can get just kind of I'm off and running from that point on. And these automatically go away, by the way, when you actually render these out, and so forth. So the last thing I want to say is, if you run into an image that is not animating still with this in mind, please let us know and send us the image. We need to be able to. Telling us that it doesn't work is not very helpful. I mean, we appreciate you letting us know, but we need to be able to actually get our hands on whatever files, whether it be video or anything else, but also the image, in order to be able to test it ourselves to see what's going on. But as you can see, that once you kind of change the stage size and let this code kick in, it's going to work just fine for you, and you're going to be able to be off and running. But if you run into any of the problems, please let us know, and please be prepared to send us the files so that we can test as well. Thank you very much.